Healthy recipe, lentil soup with vegetables. You can see the ingredients in the description. In a large pot, heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery, and cook until tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute, until fragrant. Stir in the chopped tomato and green bell pepper, and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add the rinsed and drained lentils to the pot, along with the vegetable broth or water. Season the soup with ground cumin, paprika, turmeric, salt, and pepper to taste. Mix well. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Once the lentils are cooked, taste the soup and adjust the seasoning as needed. Serve the soup hot, garnished with fresh chopped parsley if desired. Enjoy this comforting and nutritious lentil soup with vegetables. It's perfect for chilly days and makes for a hearty and delicious meal. For more recipes, follow us.